Is the Peacock app missing from your smart TV? Stop wasting time searching through menus. Here is how to get it back and fix the problem in just 3 simple steps. I am Roberto and this is Sleek Guides. Step 1. Check your system updates and internet connection. Often an outdated TV firmware can cause apps to disappear from the store or your home screen. Navigate to your TV's settings, find the Support or System tab, and check for software updates. If there is one available, install it immediately and restart your device. While you are at it, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can sometimes prevent the App Store from populating all available icons correctly. Step 2. Clear the App Store cache. If the app is still missing, the store's temporary data might be corrupted, hiding Peacock from your view. Go to your app settings, locate the system apps, and find your TV's App Store. Select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This resets the store without deleting your other apps. After clearing the cache, perform a cold boot. Unplug your TV from the wall for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears the remaining temporary memory. Step 3. Verify your regional settings and account status. Peacock is currently limited to certain regions, and your TV's location must match. Check your TV's region settings. If it's set to a country where Peacock isn't supported, the app won't appear. Make sure your location is set correctly to the US. Also, log into your Peacock account on a mobile device to ensure your subscription is active and there are no billing holds preventing API access. If you still don't see it, try searching for Peacock specifically in the App Store search bar. Sometimes a simple reinstall is all it takes to refresh the shortcut. Type Peacock in the search bar. When it appears, select Install or Download. Once finished, pin it to your home screen for easy access. To recap, update your TV, clear the App Store cache, and verify your region. Those 3 steps fix the majority of missing app issues on smart TVs. If this helped you get back to your favorite shows, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more high-value tech tutorials. I am Roberto. See you in the next one.